How to transfer WhatsApp data or messages from iPhone to Android. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, back up WhatsApp on iPhone. Start by backing up on your WhatsApp chats on your iPhone. To do that, launch WhatsApp, tap three dots at top right corner and then select Settings. Tap on Chats and then tap Chat Backup. And then tap Backup Now and wait for the process to finish. Once the backup is complete, go back to Chats and tap Move Chats to Android. You can use a USB to Lightning cable to connect your iPhone to the Android phone. On your Android phone, tap Start and allow all permissions, and you have to choose your Google account for backup storage is prompted. You need to set up WhatsApp on Android. Simply go to Play Store, download the app and open it. Log in to the Android device and make sure you log in your WhatsApp with the same number on your iPhone and Android too. And after that, you need to import the data. Tap Continue to finish setting up WhatsApp and make sure you have enough storage on Google Drive for the backup. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.